Ready to dive into the world of Python and machine learning without the headache of setting up a local environment? Let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to Colab. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Once there, you will land on the Colab welcome screen, where you can create a new notebook or upload an existing one. Let's create a new notebook by clicking the New Notebook button at the bottom right. You'll notice that it looks similar to Jupyter Notebooks. You can rename your notebook by clicking on the file name at the top. Let's call it My First Colab Notebook. Now, let's run our first code. Click on the play button to the left of the code cell. Colab will then connect to a cloud-based virtual machine, run the code, and display the output right below the cell. Next, let's import a popular library. Type import NumPy as NP into a new code cell. Colab comes pre-installed with many common libraries, making it super easy to use them. Instantly execute the cell just like before to import NumPy. To wrap up, let's see a machine learning example. Insert the code that defines and trains a very basic machine learning model, and run this to see how Colab handles more intensive tasks. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create notebooks, run code, and import libraries in Google Colab. Now, experiment, explore, and build your own amazing projects in this powerful cloud environment.